Another thing we'll do, we'll be putting in new bump stops. So as you can see, these ones are completely destroyed. So as you guys can see, right where they're set up, it's literally identical to each side. I might have them too low right now. They might be a little too low, but I think I can manage with it. We'll just have to see exactly where it's gonna be lining up on the hood, which you can see here, it's got the indentation. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Just a little, but that's fine because obviously the hole's gonna have to be a little bit bigger how it's gonna sit. But pretty much there's one spot and then there's the other right there. So now what I'll do to make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna go ahead and drill out from the bottom and then go through the top that way. And then I'll get the cutoff wheel out and then we'll start creating our marks for this part of the flush mount. This part here, we'll go ahead and get that situated and get those ready to go. And we'll start getting them installed. Now what I can do, I can take cutoff wheel and start to square off where the bump stop will be, where it's going to go. And then we'll go ahead and get everything marked for the flush mount, top side part of the flush mount. So we got a problem. I have an air compressor that's probably around 12 years old. It's a small one. I've been needing to upgrade for a long time. So it's not gonna happen today. No. So I think what it's gonna be, this will be a teaser video for you guys. Although I hate to do that, and I hate whenever I see it, I'm wanting to see the action, I'm wanting to see progress. But you gotta think too, this is a step in the right direction. I can still do little things here and there, but yeah, that's very disappointing. I might put in the clips of what I've started with on the hood pins, but I might save it for the next one. It just depends. I might save it whenever I actually get a new air compressor and then I'm actually able to finish off the holes and then cut it out, and then I'll get a Dremel too so I can fine tune my lines and make sure everything fits snug and there's no issues there. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do a couple other things. I'll put the bump stops on there right now, and then what else could I do? I need to trace the air compressor as well. The lines were taken off. Like I said, this was in the process of becoming a drift car, and They completely gutted the interior and was in the process of taking out the AC, which the AC compressor is still on the car, thankfully, thank God. But the lines are not, and I need to check to see if there's anything else that I might need to get. See, I have the bumpers for the hood. Yeah, bumpers for the hood, and these go right here on that side and right there on that side. So we'll go ahead and do that really quick, and then we'll go from there. This right here is a habit that I'll have to start getting into whenever I'm in the process of building. So let's see, we'll go ahead and get that lined up and just spin it on. And as it spins, I'll bring it down, suck it in a little bit more. And that should put me right where the other one's at. Is definitely a little low. It likes to pull the driver's side down, which if you look at the body line, you can see here where it's actually a little bit lower. We'll go ahead and get started for the next day, but you'll be seeing this video. This video will be from the day before, so you'll end up seeing this one on Tuesday. Today is Monday. As I'm recording, you'll see this video tomorrow on Tuesday. I'm gonna try to keep daily videos going up, at least as much as I can with everything I got going on. So obviously you guys know the deal. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment down below on what you guys want to see next, or how you guys think the progress is going so far, and then I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. It's a very, very nice lens. And then this is the stock original lens.